How to find the UTC of one port or one country. So you can go to Admiralty Digital Radio Signal Volume 2. Then you can type here what country you need UTC. For example, Portugal. Then if you can see, you can take this one, legal territory time. And if you can see, you have -1 DST, and the standard is 0 UTC, and they have a DST in this month to this month. And the other way, you can go to the reference Windows, then go to list of territories, then you can scroll down, then locate this Portugal. Then you can see also here Portugal 0 standard offset, then -1, and this one the DST. And for other one, you can go to the reference, then go to time zone of the world, then you can see, you can take a look this one, you can save and you can download to have your reference. That's all how to locate or to find this UTC of one port or one country. Thank you.